Bibilhin ko tong lahat.
Ang ganda.
Happy first day of couture! Hindi mo alam to? Hindi mo alam to? Hindi ko to siya pangalan. It's what I truly talagang enjoy. So I'm so nervous and excited. First day, hi! I'm very privileged that I've been attending since 2016-ish. It's just so nice to see how they turned out to be, and I'm such an avid fan. Just so privileged that I'm invited all the time. Hopefully one day I'd be a serious collector. I just picked up my second couture gown, by the way, so I'm very happy about that.
Nice.
So cool.
I know. Good morning.
Help, please! Help!
Ay, nakahilig.
Huh?
So we go now to the hotel, dressed up for Dior.
Ay, it was so nice. It was so beautiful.
I don't want people to think that I'm shallow, but it's art, and sometimes it kind of pulls, like it tugs kind of strings in your heart, and it was so beautiful na parang naluluha ako sa ganda, pero syempre hindi ako naluluha. Pagtingin ko dun sa kanan ko, yung babae,
Talaga.
yung girl, umiyak
Grabe.
siya sa ganda. Hayop sa ganda.
Wow.
Daniel Roseberry was definitely wired differently. His wires and his brains are all like beautiful gold wires. Grabe sa ganda. Ito talaga yung show pag nanood ako, yung talagang
May ano.
may hayop. And then, wait lang. So I got this gift from Dior. Blanket to. Ay, hindi! Oh, I see! Thank you so much! Merci beaucoup, Dior. Because I am Miss Dior. Minute nga, no? Oo nga eh. My special guest, Madame Kit and Direct Dom Zapata. Yes!
Mga fanay.
Nangangate.
Fangirl lang.
Nangangate. So, FYI, he's going to be directing the Dior reel today.
Di ko nga alam tong pinaggagawa ninyo. Tell me about Dior.
Well, first, the collection today is inspired by Yves Saint Laurent's 1958 collection.
Pero I think you should get a lot of shots of her like with her back. So maraming back, marami siguro naka-turn ganon. Sa dulo siguro yung talaga naka-frontal lang siya. Para ma-highlight na ano. Eto na ngayon, dati kasi parang looking back. Pero sa dulo siguro, you're saying is, hindi lang siya throwback. Masok yung ilaw.
Yeah.
Hindi, wag dito. Dito tayo kukuha. Kailangan makita Miss Dior. O yan, ganyan, nagka-cross ng legs. Tanaw?
Ito sa akin flight.
Oh, okay. Tapos kabig mo. Okay, nice. Okay, kuha rin ako ng ano
Look at me. Smile.
One more.
Off to Tamara. We're gonna do a quick change and then we're gonna go. Yung jowa mo.
Ay, shit.
Summit, I saw you! I feel bad for the photographers because it makes such a huge difference when brands are seen on magazines. The translation of runway to real life is very prevalent. But because lagi silang pinagbabawalan, the guards are always shooing them movies.
Do you say itong socks na to?
May nalaglag phone?
It's mine. Lamig ng yes, ng sinilangan. Na-slice ko talaga yung shit.
Metal talaga.
Metal talaga siya. Ganda na kay Jade.
Bluffing.
This is a remembrance for Miss Heart.
Focus lang ako kasi ang lamig. Gusto kong umiyak pero di ko magawa. Gusto kong umiyak pero di ko magawa. Gusto kong umiyak pero di ko. Kaya lumaga ng kanta na yun, di ba?
Dito, wow. Okay, sige.
should I take this out?
Ganda ng dress, grabe.
Alis muna kayo.
Are we doing the 360 or not?
We can.
I'll make it easy for you guys.
Easy.
Yeah, just let's all work together and make it. In the bag? The bag? Yeah. Vous avez une carte SD? Again?
Edward #1! Edward #1!
That's it, Pansit. That's for tonight. And we'll see you again tomorrow. That was the first day of Fashion Week.